Get in the machine like this. I want the bar right on your traps. Don't put the bar on your neck. They're going to lay right on your trapezius muscles. Put your feet slightly forward. I see some people with their feet too much forward where they're leaning back, putting pressure on their knees, their back. So this is perfect here. Slightly forward, maybe about an inch in front of the bar, something like that. An inch or right under the bar in that area. You can adjust yourself and see where you feel comfortable. Go ahead, get your hands up and hold the bar. Perfect. Now, we got his chest up. All Smith machines have clips. So what you're going to do is you're going to undo the clip, pulling forward. Here we go. The clip is undone, and you hold it there. So while you're doing the set, the clip doesn't move around. Keeping your chest up, stick that butt out all the way. Let me get back here so I can show you. Watch how he sticks his butt out. Okay, it's going to come out and down. You want to come down to a 90-degree angle. So bam, right there. Butt is lined up with the knee, and then you push up with the heel straight up. Breathe in on the way down, go out on the way up, and come all the way up and squeeze that butt and quads. Feet are straight. He's pushing with the heels and the feet. Neck, face, nice and straight. Make sure even when it gets hard, you don't bend your body forward. You'll hurt your back. Keep that chest up. Very important. Watch when you're squatting, your knees don't go towards each other or apart. You want it all lined up. Look at his knees. Everything is straight here. It looks perfect. He's not moving it around at all. Look at how his knees aren't passing his toe. Look at this. He comes down, bam, right there, and then comes up.